Sorry. I'm literally wearing blue to match this pipe. Hello and welcome back to the channel, you beautiful people, and this is Tanisha. In case you're seeing this face for the first time, do not forget to leave this video without subscribing or without hitting the bell icon, because I've been creating like so much content lately and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So if you like this video, then do subscribe. Before moving further, guys, I just want to tell you about the link that you will find down in the description box, which is called the Mera link, which is nothing but a shopping application, just like any other shopping app. So when you open this app, you're going to see a particular type of interface, and I have actually curated a set of items for you guys, so you can select from there as well, or you can directly go to the search tab and search any item that you want to purchase. For example, moisturizers or sunscreens or dresses or tops or anything. You're going to get a lot of items at very discounted prices. So affordable range to discounted range to a lot of high-end products, everything is available over there, so you can go and get your hands on them. Okay? People didn't ask me directly, but they asked me down in the comment section below all the time about my earrings or my chains and whatever I am wearing. So I just thought, without you guys asking me, I should know that you want to see this video, okay? And that's why I got this for you guys. And yeah, especially the safety pin wala earring. Also, guys, do not forget to check me out on my Instagram account, because I've been creating a lot of content and funny reels over there. So please go and connect with me over there, because that would mean a lot to me, guys. I just want to start with the hair accessories first, and one of them I am already wearing, and this piece, I don't know, I have never found anywhere else. This piece is from Shein, like a pearl studded clip, and has like a gold hardware to it, and it just looks so pretty. It says love. I have a similar piece which says kiss over here, like this, and then I have two other similar pieces which are like more in the diamond shape, like this, and they say sorry and girl, and they have like a silver hardware, and they are of like diamonds. These clips are so damn pretty. They are very stylish, but at the same time they're like very pretty and like very girly, and I just wanna, like, do you imagine if this clip is not there with this dress? It's just not gonna look the way I'm looking right now. I mean, you can just add it up when you're going to a party or some fancy place or some nice dinner or something like that. And it's just going to make you look so good. It's going to make you feel so good, okay? Next piece that I have is also from Shein, but it's like very easily available anywhere else also. So this is like a headband like this. Like a hairband like this, and it's also again pearl with a golden kind of hardware to it. They are like very cute, but at the same time it just gives me the vibe from that Elite show. If you have watched that show on Netflix, this can literally like lighten up a simple dress as well, and you can like just pair it up with something like white or black, and it's just going to look so classy. I'm telling you. Now let's just move ahead to finger rings. Finger rings are actually my most favorite accessories. So the first one over here is this silver hardware wala finger ring, which has all of these diamonds done on it. So I got this one from a local store. Almost all the finger rings are from like local stores and stuff like that. And the next piece that I'm going to show you is this one. Oh my god, I just absolutely love this ring. This ring is like everything to me, and I love how asymmetrical it is, and how, like, you know, it just plays like up and down and not in the same symmetrical line. Last finger ring that I want to show you today is this one. This is also like a diamond work. It has a silver hardware, and this has a green kind of stones in between, and these green stones are so pretty. They are like marble green. You would feel like it is similar to the first piece that I showed you, but it's like very different from that. So I'll just show you. I'm wearing both of them right now, and you can see they are like literally very different from one another, but both of them are like just so statement and just so damn pretty. The first one that I want to show you is this very chunky golden chain, like huge chunky chain style. I love this style. You could be wearing like a very simple tee, but this is going to make it looks so much more elevating and so much more stylish. First of all, they're like a very statement piece, good to invest in. They're not like very costly because you get it like almost in every possible site you have this option. Next piece that I want to show you is this very pretty silver chain. This is just so beautiful and fancy. I love the detailing of this. It has like a kind of a S kind of a lock, and then it has locks and locks. I can't explain you how it is, but you can literally see. This off from a Instagram store. I will link that down below. Every time I wear this on Instagram, everybody is asking about this chain. This is very nice. So the next piece that I'm going to show you is like more of this golden chain, and then you have this pendant. I attached this chain myself, and this pendant is like everything. It is a statement pendant, like 2 owls sitting on it, and the owls are just so damn pretty. Look at their eyes and their body and the stones that are used. Mama owl and a baby owl sitting next to each other. I got this all from a boutique, and they are like a offline boutique which like sells like statement pieces, big chunky pieces of jewelry. So it looks like this is like a choker which says babe on it. It is so freaking beautiful. It has like huge stones on it. It says babe, and then it also has stones all over the whole chain. It is like a choker, and it just sits on the neck so beautifully. This I usually wear it like in the evening or for some party where I want to look like little bit low, you know, like more dazzling kind of a party. Literally everybody was asking about this, and a lot of people purchased it after I showed it to them. It is such a bang on beautiful piece. And this next piece that I'm going to show you is a layered neck piece. Okay, it's like so difficult to understand because there are like so many chains. It has this nice golden normal chain, and then it has this snake kind of chain, and then it again has a golden chain, and then this has like a blue beads wala chain. I love this blue color. This turquoise blue color is like everything. And neck pieces mein to ye itna खूबसूरत लगता है कि I can't even tell you. And then it has this coin wala style. I also love coin neck pieces. Like, I literally don't remember where I got this one from, but I'll link something similar to this for sure. If you want to elevate your style, you should definitely go for layered neck pieces. If you want, you can layer the neck pieces by yourself. Like you can buy like different pieces individually and then layer it by yourself. Next one that I want to show you is again this type of chain. This is like a chain, like a diamond chain, like a simple chain that you can throw up in your neck piece. I use it in every way. I also use it like this, like a bracelet also. It looks fine and beautiful. I have this one turquoise beads mein ye wala neck piece. This is again so beachy and so summery, and it has this kind of a pendant which has like a hand kind of a style. If you visit Goa or if you travel somewhere, you will definitely find such beads wala pieces for sure. So it just matches this layered wala neck piece so nicely that I can wear both of them together. Like mostly all of them are like either from local store or from Shein or something like that, but I already told you I will link something similar for sure. This is the first very minimal piece that I want to show you. This is just so pretty. It has like a white stone in between and a very small intricate piece. It's like a dangly kind of earring. It looks like it's a person sitting over here. I don't know if you can feel like that or not. So this is how it looks like. I absolutely love them. For the safety pin earring, this is so pretty. Everybody like keeps on asking me. This is like a golden hardware, and then it has like diamond on it. It is so pretty. This type of safety pin earring is a little bit difficult to find out, but I think so you can find out. और Banach में भी मिल जाएगा, and also otherwise बहुत सारे ऐसे Instagram store है वहाँ पे भी मिल जाता है. And next one is this ear cuff that you can see. It is a very pretty ear cuff, guys. I got this ear cuff, like it was a set of ear cuffs, and I got it from H&M, and right now we do not have this piece available on the website. Next piece is this very nice pearl dangly kind of piece. बहुत ही cute है. I got this one from Amazon. बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute है. ये पूरा एक it comes in like a set kind of a thing, and it is so pretty and so dangly. I put very cute, girly, florally kind of fancy vibe. What was this? I don't know. You can like throw it up in a very cute dress. like a daytime look will look very nice with this. Next up is my absolute favorite and the one that I use all the time. These are the golden hoops. Yes, the staple golden hoops, which are like so much on trend right now. But I love the fact that they are like medium size and also they are like very broad size. They are not the thin ones. This is a hoop that I got from H&M, and I don't know if these pieces are available or not because I got them from H&M, but I got them offline. Hoops are like a necessary or must buy for you guys, and especially golden hoops. Oh my god, if you don't want to go for a medium size or a big size, you can definitely go for small ones. I will also link the small one wala option. Guys, honestly, I just want to wrap this video all over here because these are like a lot of pieces, and also a lot of more pieces are right here in front of me and I have not even touched them. So I think so I have to make a part 2 of this video. So if you guys like this video and want to see a part 2 of this video, then do comment down below and I will definitely make that video for you guys. Also guys, if you want, I also have like Mama Earth and Plum Goodness ka codes, discount codes down below. It's almost like 10% or 20% and stuff like that. So you can go and check that out as well. So over here I will conclude with this video, and I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys like found it helpful. I'll leave all the links, like all the possible link and the closest match of all the pieces that I showed you down in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Bye bye.